Have you ever stumbled upon a TikTok page filled with viral videos about space and wondered how the creators managed to use NASA footage without copyright issues? Well, there's a way, and that's exactly what I'm going to reveal in this video. The astroscience niche is a goldmine for content creators. It's not as crowded as motivational or historical content, making it a prime category for both TikTok and YouTube. With programs like TikTok's Creativity Program Beta, dedicated creators can earn upwards of $2,000 monthly. However, success doesn't come overnight. I see a lot of creators are expecting to go viral within several days, and when they don't get enough views after posting around 10 videos, they just give up. Remember, if you are planning to give up after the first 10 videos, just don't even start this. It will be a waste of time. You need to be consistent and provide content daily for at least a month. There are some cases where you can go viral after publishing the first video, but the chances are very low. Therefore, you need to post videos at least for a month. At the end of this video, I will share a valuable tip for TikTok, which will help you to get more views. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to crafting videos about astroscience. Creating content for this niche begins with scripting. Start by planning out a month's worth of content. If you aim for 2 videos a day, that's 60 videos in a month. Spend the first day researching topics, whether it's scouring Google for the latest space discoveries or browsing NASA's website for inspiration. If you're pressed for time, you can even enlist the help of ChatGPT to generate topics. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to create 20 topics for short videos for a TikTok channel related to space science and astronomy. Once you have your topics, it's time to script your videos. ChatGPT can also assist in crafting scripts that are informative yet easy to understand, saving you precious time. For our example, we'll focus on the mesmerizing rings of Saturn. How do we script it? Simply request ChatGPT to generate a 1-minute script that's scientifically accurate but accessible to a general audience. The result? A well-crafted script ready for production. Once your script is ready, the next phase is voiceover. For a realistic and engaging audio experience, 11 Labs offers a suite of AI-generated voices. This platform allows you to find the perfect tone for your content without the need for costly recording equipment. Plus, these AI voices are monetizable, and you can start with a generous allowance of 10,000 free characters. To select a voice that fits your video, simply browse the voice library and sample different options. When you find one that resonates with your vision, add it to your collection and proceed to generate the voiceover using your prepared script. Now, let's add some visuals to our video. We can get cool space videos from the NASA website. Just head over to NASA's Images and Video Library. Type in what you need in the search bar. For example, let's look for videos about Saturn. Once you find the right one, click on the download icon and choose the original size. This will take you to a page where you can right-click on the video and save it as an MP4 file. Easy, right? But wait, there's more. We can also make our video pop with animated AI images. To do this, we'll use Leonardo AI and Runway AI. First, sign up for a Leonardo AI account. Don't worry, you don't need to pay anything. They'll even give you 150 free credits every day. Now, choose the type of images you want for your videos. Then, pick an AI model that suits your style. Click Generate and voila! You'll get some cool images. Next, let's make these images move. With Leonardo IE, go to the motion section and select your images. Adjust the motion strength and click Generate. Now your images are animated. If you want to get fancy, you can try Runway AI. Sign up for free and they'll give you enough credits for at least 10 videos. Upload your image, describe the animation you want, and let the magic happen. Once you're satisfied with your animation, you can proceed to video editing. CapCut is a user-friendly video editing app available for both mobile and desktop. Start by initiating a new project and setting the aspect ratio to 9:16. Import all your voiceovers, animated clips, and images, arranging them on the timeline. Trim and resize each element to fit the video format and enhance the narrative flow. Add transitions between clips for a seamless viewing experience. CapCut also offers an auto caption feature, which can generate text for your videos in seconds. Customize these captions by adjusting the size, font, and color. To ensure they're legible and engaging. For added dynamism, apply sliding animations to your captions, choosing effects that reveal text progressively for emphasis. Once your video is polished and complete, export the final product. Now, let's check out the final result.
Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the mysteries of the universe? Let's take a journey to explore one of the closest celestial objects to Earth, the Moon. You might have noticed that the Moon changes its appearance over the course of about a month. This is because of the different phases it goes through as it orbits around our planet. During a full moon, the side of the Moon facing us is fully illuminated by the Sun. As it continues its orbit, we see less and less of the illuminated side, leading to the phases known as the first quarter, third quarter, and new moon. In 1969,
to maximize your TikTok views, experiment with posting times. Upload 5 videos at different times throughout the day to determine when your audience is most active. This strategy will help you identify the optimal time to post new content, increasing your visibility on the platform. Stay tuned for more tips in future videos.